Now I am going to dictate a journal passage at the rate of 80 words per minute based on Shorthand Reading and Dictation Exercises magazine. Let's start. Handlooms and handicrafts have always been very dear to my heart, but this is not a question of personal taste. This is a problem which is of vital interest and importance to our country and to all sections of the people, especially those in the rural areas. Stop para. It was in 1952 that these boards were established at a time when it was natural that there should be increasing interest in machine technology. Our wish was not to prevent the growth of the machines, but to see that this did not lead to a decline in our crafts. All of you here are aware that next to agriculture, handlooms and handicrafts provide the greatest employment to our people. So it is very important that there should be a constant nurturing of these sectors, and this forms a part of the government policy. Stop. The minister has already spoken of the special efforts to increase production. Through this, we have to try to enhance the living standard of our craftsmen without in any way injuring the quality of their manual skills also, if I may say so, because a number of children are employed. We must see to it that it is in no way harmful to their health and to their education. And I believe that there is no contradiction between the two. We cannot do what we want to do for our crafts by legislation or by subsidizing products or by reservation. We have to make them acceptable to the consumer, which means firstly a high standard and secondly meeting the needs of the population. Thirdly, if needs are changing, as in many places they are, these products might be used for different purposes, not perhaps the original purpose for which they were used. Stop para. I am a little alarmed at the tendency of some handicrafts trying to imitate machine products. They try to make them slick, as the Americans say. This does not enhance their value. On the contrary, people then might as well buy the machine product, and it destroys the very base of the craft endeavor. I feel that it is important that we keep to our old designs and our patterns and we preserve them. They have survived through centuries, and what is basically good can never be out of fashion. Stop para. A great deal of work also has to be done on the propaganda level. Handicrafts and handloom material are very welcome abroad, where society has become highly mechanized. Stop. Thank you.